What's the Armstrong Steel Direct Buy program?
Your project may qualify for the Armstrong Steel Direct Buy program. This program allows you to buy directly from Armstrong Steel and bypass middlemen and local contractor markups. If you're able to manage your own project, you have financing in place, the land is ready for construction, and you're able to place a small deposit, you might qualify for the Direct Buy program. You'll receive the same services as our professional dealers, such as a dedicated project manager and direct pricing on a variety of components, such as doors, windows, vents, insulation, and other options. Contact your Armstrong Steel service representative and discover if your project qualifies for direct pricing. For more information, please call Armstrong Steel Building Systems to speak to a building expert.